Alright, this is going to be a review for the ET6. The ET6 is the side shaft engine with the flyball governor on it. Let me just get that out of the way. The ET6 and the ET1 both run really nice. You can see they have modified the mounting system for the fuel tank from the ET1 when they redesigned it into the ET6. But the fuel tank is even with the mixer on the 6 here, so it runs really nice and really evenly, and runs the full fuel tank out because it's not sucking fuel against a major height change from the tank. Otherwise, yeah, it was nice and easy to start. The big thing is there's so many parts to lubricate along this side shaft. You need to make sure that you're oiling the flyball governor. There's a bearing block here, a bearing block right behind the flywheel, the helical gears that translate the motion 90 degrees into the side shaft, and then you want to make sure you're lubricating. There's a bearing on the end of this cam lever, and then you need to oil all of this lightly so that it stays free. But overall, I would say that I like the ET6 at least as much as the ET1, maybe even a little more, just because personally I find side shaft engines to be really stylish. I like the clean look of not having the flywheel weights in the flywheel. I think flyball governors are really cute and look nice when they run. So I'd say if you're only going to buy one of these engines to play with, pick the ET1 or the ET6 because they're the ones that run the best and are best set up. And then it's just down to what governor system you like the look of. Yeah, so, and making sure you lubricate everything thoroughly.